Wait. Today Mamelodi Sundowns is going to play. So now I'm going to show you how to watch it today because you don't have DSTV, you don't have money to pay it. Okay? So I'm going to show you to watch it with your phone. You see? Let's go. Let's watch it. Before you learn it, please follow me and then share this video to make people let me know. Okay? Thank you. So let's see. Before you start it, go to Play Store. This one, okay? This one. This one. Click it and then search from here. From here. You search from here. And then click it. And then type CBC plus like this, you see, and then search from here, search, and then download this one. I think now you see this one, download this one for South African, okay, and then click on it, go inside, so you can create your new account, put your phone number or email, and then you will start watching football. It's going to play right now, Sundowns. You can see right now here you have CBC 1 and then CBC 2, CBC 3, and then Sport. That is the channel that we want to support. Okay, if you get this, let me know. Thank you. Like I said, if you get that, is maybe you don't know how to put your password, but it is so easy. It's better register that password with phone number. It's very easy. Put your phone number. It's very easy. It's very easy. Don't put email. Okay. Thank you. If you get that is for support me, please comment. Thank you so much, and then you can subscribe or follow because I will put 2 platforms, Facebook and then YouTube. Thank you. Okay. So thank you so much. All of you guys have been supporting me today, and you're going to enjoy today. I love you all. Thank you.